Newcastle's quayside, the River Tyne bursts its banks in the biggest tidal surge for 30 years. At Whitley Bay, as high tide hits, thrill seekers ignore official advice to stay away from the coast.
This is the most interesting. It's quite spectacular, wonderful, frightening.
Spectacular for some, but devastating for others, as these studios in the Eusebourne suffered flood damage.
Well, there's an inch there, but they've already taken out quite a bit. I always hoped it wouldn't, but they always told us it probably would, with the barrage, flood a foot, or if we were unlucky, 4 foot. But I never believed it because I've been here so long.